Hello, my name is Peter Downey, and I'm going to quickly set up Joomla. Joomla is a content management system written in PHP. There are some other languages it's written in too, but that's the main one. So you want to download Joomla. So type in download Joomla into Google and click on this, and it'll come up with this. Now you want to download Joomla, so copy this link location, and then I'm going to go into the folder var www. You can go into whatever you want and put it there. You just got to remember it is. I like the www in var because it's easy to keep track of where everything is. So I'm going to make a directory called Joomla1. You don't want to extract it just to your main folder, because it extracts all the files without creating a folder, and so it kind of makes a mess. So I'm going to go into the folder Joomla, and then I'm going to download this file using wget, and then you paste in that URL, and it downloads it there, and you can see it's there. And so I'm going to unzip it. So use the command unzip and then the name of the file. Okay, so it's created all that, and I'm going to remove the zip file. That's gone, and I'm going to change the permissions. I'm going to actually chmod 777 recursively into Joomla, and now it's green, showing that it has full permissions. You don't really want to leave it like that because it's a little bit dangerous, because other people can edit it, but for the moment it's alright. And I'm actually gonna change the name of the Joomla to Joomla1, and now it's called Joomla1. Now the files are set up properly, so next you gotta add it to Apache. So go to etc Apache to sites enabled, and there's this default file. You can add other files, but I like to just edit the default one. And I am going to add a new virtual host. Anything coming in through port 80. And the document root is where the files are, and it's in Joomla1 in the var www. And then the server name, this is what you call, and you have to have permissions to use it, like Peter Downey is owned by me, so I can add whatever subdomains I want. So we'll call it, let's just call it J1. Okay, and I'm gonna write this and quit. Now you need to reset Apache, so sudo service Apache to restart. Okay, so let's see if this works. Clicking J1 here. Okay, so we got the basic site set up. Now we have to set up the database. I'll call this J1. Alright, so now we have to set up the database. So I'm going to actually create database J1, and then I'm going to give permissions to the user, so grants all on J1 dot star which is all the tables in the J1 database, and the user I generally use is called the default user. Okay, now the default user has permissions to that database. So and I'm going to type in the password here. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I chose remove. I don't want any of the... Now, to remove the folder, just click remove installation folder. I'm going to log in. I'm going to create a new article. And change it to featured. And save it. Now we'll go to J1. And there's that article there, but I didn't put a question mark. But anyways, alright, so I'll set up.